Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi first grade students. I am your teacher T.Dania Imran from ALhadi Muhammadi Schools. Our lesson for today will be about sounds like. Now please open your science book on page 58. The outcomes are 1. Identify onomatopoeic words for given actions. 2. Write a story using onomatopoeic words. Now look at this picture carefully. What can you see here? Excellent. So the boy is sneezing. طيب. When someone is sneezing, he makes a sound. Excellent. The sound is achoo. Excellent. So we call this sound word. Sound word يعني الكلمة نفسها كلمة لها صوت. Sound word. Achoo. Excellent. Let's see the next picture. When you see something that's not good or eat something that's not good for you, you maybe say ew. or ick that you don't like the thing. صح؟ هلأ مثلا لما إحنا ناكل إشي وما يطلع كتير زاكي أو نشوف إشي مش حلو شو ممكن نحكي عنه؟ ew. ew. So this is a sound word. Sound word. الكلمة نفسها يعني إلها صوت. بتعبر عن صوت. When someone rang the bell, لما حدا يرن على الجرس شو بيطلع لنا صوت؟ ding dong. Ding dong. So it's a sound word. Sound word. Now I will tell you a story. The title of the story is Camping in a Storm. Look at the picture here. What can you see? We can see rain. Excellent. And we can see a tent. It's a tent. خيمة صح? We can see boys here. So camping in a storm. This is our story for today. I was walking in the woods. It started to rain. It started to rain, as you can see here. The sky went black. The sky went black. The wind washed in the trees, as you can see here. The wind washed in the trees. I heard a branch crack as it broke on the wind. I heard the branch crack. Look at the tree here. So I heard a branch crack as it broke on the wind. It was a stormy day. Now open your science book on page 58. This is our story, Camping in a Storm. Camping in a Storm. I was walking in the woods. It started to rain. The sky went black. The wind whooshed in the trees. Excellent. This is the sound of wind. Whoosh. I heard a branch crack as it broke on the wind. يعني هون صوت لما بتنكسر عنا الفرع أو غصن من أغصان الشجر. Crack as it broke on the wind. Let's continue to see what happened. I ran to my tent. Look at the picture here. The boy ran to his tent. This is a tent. There was a clap of thunder. Look, this is a clap of thunder. Thunder يعني رعد. صوت الرعد بنحكي عنه clap of thunder. I could hear the rain pitter pitter on the tent. So the sound of the rain, pitter pitter. I ran to my tent. There was a clap of thunder. I could hear the rain pitter pitter on the tent. So this is the sound of the train. And that was the end of our story. Now, use some of these words to write a short story. هون في عنا sound words. تمام، بدنا نستخدمهم علشان نكتب short story، قصة قصيرة on your science book page 58. A lovely guest. It was a rainy day. I could hear the rain pitter pitter on the house. So this is the sound of the rain. The sound of the rain. I was eating my breakfast when the bell rang. Ding dong. There was a cat saying meow meow. I went outside and fed it. This is my story. You can write your own story. And that's the end of our lesson for today. Have a nice weekend. مع السلامة.